In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to revitalize your weave. Now, all you need is some boiling hot water, some oil, and conditioner.
Let me squeeze you, know I need you. Let me please you, give you the best. Sorry, gotta say, gotta get it on my chest. I just wanna love you and give you no stress, ma. I'm getting older now, I'm not gonna play around. For you, you know I'm down. Just want you to know, you are my ride or die. Always I'm by your side, girl, it's gonna be alright. Just want you to know, girl, come closer. Come closer, girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you every day. Girl, come closer. Come closer, girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you every day, baby girl. We can lay, we can do whatever we want. They can watch and they can hate, cause all they really do is just talk. Girl, I like the way you whine, your body fine. You are the one I want, oh. Girl, I like the way you talk, the way you walk. Baby girl, you're just so fine. Cause I'm getting older now, I'm not gonna play around. For you, you know I'm down. Just want you to know, you are my ride or die. Always I'm by your side, girl, it's gonna be alright. Just want you to know, girl, come closer. Come closer, girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you every day. Girl, come closer. Come closer, girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you every day. Feel the rhythm, me and you. You know what we gon' do. Drink some liquor and let's get loose. Come on over, show some moves. Bring your girls, I'll bring my crew. Girl, come closer. Come closer. Girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you every day. Girl, come closer. Come closer. Girl, come closer. Cause I've been thinking about you.